Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's important residents use the correct disposal method for their fats, oil and grease. Absorb with paper towel or newspaper, kitty litter, sawdust. Place in your green bin for curbside collection. Put in a container and freeze.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can dispose of expired vegetable oil by tossing it in the trash in a sealed non-breakable container. You can also take it down to a local waste center that accepts grease. This is the most responsible method for disposing of cooking oil.
Take our lead.
Put waste in its place. Green cart. Put this item in your green cart. Set out time. Place your green cart at the curb by 7 a.m. the morning of your collection day, but no sooner than 5 p.m. the evening before. Halton Waste Management Site. This item can be delivered to the Halton Waste Management Site. Special instructions.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Number 2. It's okay to pour liquid oils down the drain. Liquid cooking oils float on water and easily adhere to sewer pipes. The oily film can collect food particles and other solids that will create a blockage.
Take our lead.
Residential amounts, 2 liters or less, of fats, oils and grease should be put in the green cart for composting. Always wipe cooking equipment and scrape dishes before washing. Solidify your oil by mixing it with paper towels. Then place it in a certified compostable bag or paper bag and place it in your green cart.
Take our lead.
Can I dump used cooking oil in the yard? You should never dump used cooking oil outside. Even if you dump cooking oil in the grass, it will find its way to the sewer system and cause clogs and other issues. It is also bad for wildlife to dump and leave used cooking oil outside.
Take our lead.
If you want to get rid of the oil, let the oil cool completely, then pour it into a non-recyclable container with a lid and throw it in the garbage. Common non-recyclable containers that work well include cardboard milk cartons and similar wax or plastic-lined paper containers. 1 May 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.